Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with a brand new tutorial after a long time. This time I am here with a Diwali makeup tutorial. Diwali is right around the corner and I wanted to create something glam, something smoky and something easy to recreate for this Diwali. You can definitely wear this look for any occasion and you can wear this look to weddings as well. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I am first taking my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and I'm priming my entire face. This is a gripping primer. It hydrates your skin and it makes your makeup last all day long. If you have not tried this primer yet, I suggest you to try it. You are going to love it. Next, I am taking my Benefit POREfessional primer and I am patting it on my pores as well as wherever I have textures, basically on my T-zone, and I am patting the product in to fill in all those pores. I am not swiping it at all. To prime my lips, I am using this Merit Beauty lip oil. It's super duper important to hydrate your lips before using any kind of lipstick. And I have very bad dark circles and some hyperpigmentations around my mouth area. So color correcting is a must. And these color correctors from L.A.Girl are my absolute favorite. They get the job done and they are super duper affordable. Like, look how easily these are blending. For my foundation, I'm taking my favorite NARS Natural Radiance Longwear foundation. This is in the shade Valencia. NARS is now available in India. You can get it from Sephora India's website. And I'm blending it out using my damp beauty blender. Though the foundation is looking a little bit lighter right now, but trust me, this foundation will oxidize and it is a perfect match for my skin tone. This is a full coverage kind of satin matte and very long wearing foundation. In case you want just one product from NARS, this is the one that you need to get. To get some structure, I am using my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Fair is Walnut and I'm applying it on the parameters of my face to give me some structure and some warmth. And this contour stick is super duper easy to blend. You can see how easily it's blending out, and it is only for $3, and in India it is around 300 rupees. So it's very affordable and it's long lasting, it blends well, and it's kind of like cream to powder formula. So this is my absolute favorite contour slash bronzer stick from the drugstore, and they have, I think, a couple of shades. Depending on your skin tone, you can pick up one shade that is suitable for your skin tone. I am going with this LYS Beauty Cream Blush, and this is in the shade Unique, and it is a beautiful berry purple blush, and I think it is a perfect blush for this outfit as well as for this eye look. And this blush is blending beautifully. You can see it is again a cream to powder formula. I always suggest you to use a cream blush and a cream contour underneath. That way your makeup will last all day long. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using my favorite from the drugstore. This is my Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Concealer. I will mention the shade in the description box down below, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows, and also on my chin, on my cupid bow, around my mouth, on the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. You know the drill, right? And I'm blending it out using my BK Beauty A506 brush. This concealer blends like a dream. Just tap and it is all blended, and it is a solid medium coverage concealer. I already applied the color corrector. That is why I was able to achieve full coverage, but it is a solid medium coverage concealer. You can totally build it up. It does not become cakey, it does not crease easily on my under eyes personally, and it is super duper hydrating, and the consistency is kind of like serum consistency, and it is super duper lightweight. Get this concealer, you guys. You are going to love it, I promise. To set everything in place, I'm taking this e.l.f. Hello Glow Loose Setting Powder in the shade medium, and I'm using my powder puff, and I got rid of the excess powder because if you do not get rid of the excess powder, then your concealer will become kind of cakey. And I'm just pressing the powder in, and I am basically setting the concealer using the loose setting powder. I'm getting rid of the creases before setting my under eye area, and again I'm just pressing the product in. To set my entire makeup in place, I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, and I'm using a large powder blush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. To bronze up my face further, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Hot Shady Beaches bronzer, and I'm just warming up my complexion, and this will give me some warmth, some color, as well as some definition on my face. For my powder blush, I'm taking this Berry Juicy blush from Huda Beauty, and honestly you guys, this cream and this powder blush combination, they are made for each other, and look how beautiful the combination is looking. For my highlighter today, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Molten Gold, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this Real Techniques setting brush. This highlighter is my all-time favorite highlighter. Like, no matter what, this highlighter is very comparable to all my high-end highlighters. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup, but first I am just doing my brows using precisely my brow pencil from Benefit, and this is in the shade 4.5 neutral, I believe. I will mention the shade and everything in the description box down below. And I'm following the natural shape of my eyebrows, nothing too crazy. It's very, very, very simple, nothing too dramatic at all. I'm setting my brows using my Essence Brow Gel in the shade Brownie Brows, and now I'm taking this Milani eyeshadow stick. I will mention the shade in the description box down below. And first I'm applying it on my eyelid. These eyeshadows are very, very, very creamy, easy to blend. They last all day long, easy to travel with, and they are, I should say, fairly affordable. And look how beautifully it's blending out. I'm using a tiny little blending brush, and I'm just diffusing the borders. Honestly, this is like a beautiful one and done eye look. If you are a beginner and if you want something quick, easy, this is it. Like, you do not need to follow any other step that I'm going to mention next. This is it. And if you know me, you know me, I'm a little bit extra with my eye looks, and I am taking this Petal shade from my Sigma Hazy eyeshadow palette. This is a beautiful like mauve pink eyeshadow, and I am blending out the edges even more using my Sigma E40 blending brush. These eyeshadow palettes from Sigma, they are very, very underrated in India. I love this eyeshadow palette. I think this formula is very, very comparable to Huda Beauty eyeshadows. And now I'm taking this shimmery purple shade, and I'm applying it on the center part of my eyelid using my finger, and look how beautiful it is. I'm drawing a wing using my Essence eyeliner, just a tiny little wing, nothing too crazy. I think for like Indian or traditional Indian makeup, a wing is a must, at least for me. For my kajal, I am using this Too Faced Killer Liner. You can use any kajal that you have in your collection. And now I am just smudging out my lower lash line using the shade Petal. I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes as well as my brow bones using the same Maybelline highlighter. And for my mascara, I am using Lash Sensational from Maybelline. You can totally skip falsies if you want to, but I love to use falsies, so I am using falsies here. These are from Kiss. And here is the completed eye look. It was super duper easy, super glam at the same time. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. And now for my lips, I am using this NYX lip liner in the shade Mahogany, and I'm also filling up my lips using the lip liner because lip liners last longer than your traditional lipsticks. For my lips, I'm using this lipstick from Maybelline. This is in the shade more mauve. I think it complements the eye look perfectly. And for my lip gloss, I'm using Maybelline Ruby. This is the lifter gloss, and here is the completed look. What do you guys think? I am super duper happy with the outcome, and I don't know why my outfit is looking maroon on camera, but it is a purple outfit that I got from Myntra. I will link it in the description box down below. And yeah, I'm super duper happy with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.